A very warm welcome to all my lovely students. This is your English teacher, Mrs. Janaki Biswas, and I am once again back with your English classes. Students, today in this video, we will be dealing with a new topic in grammar, that is preposition. Now, if we spell the word again, preposition, and give a little bit of gap, preposition, that means two words, pre and position. So what is the meaning of the word pre? Pre means before and position means location. Position means location. So in other words, we can define it as preposition is a word which shows relation of a noun or a pronoun with another word in a sentence. So what is the use of preposition? It shows the relation between two nouns, two pronouns, or one noun or pronoun with another word in the sentence. So let us understand this with some examples. So let me take some examples. Students, what is this I have in my hand? You can say flowers. Okay. And this is a flower vase. Flowers and flower vase. Now, do we have any relation with these two? No. Flowers, these are separate and this vase is separate. Now, students, if I put these flowers here, then there is a relation between flowers and this vase. And what is the relation? Where are the flowers? We can say it as the flowers are in the vase. The flowers are in the vase. So students, which is the word which is showing the relation? The word in is showing the relation of the flowers and with the vase. If I am holding it in this way, these two are separate nouns. But when I am putting these flowers here, then there is a relation. And what is the relation? The relation is the flowers are in the vase. Now students, let us take one more example. Now here students, I have a doll, a small beautiful doll in my hand and a sofa or a chair, whatever you call it. Any relation? No. A doll, a sofa. Now if I put it here, then there is a relation. What is the relation? The doll is sitting on the sofa. What is the relation? The doll is sitting on the sofa. And which is the word which is showing the relation? The word is on. Now, if I put it here and then I tell you to make a sentence, then you will make the sentence as the doll is beside the sofa or the doll is near the sofa. So again, the words which shows the relation, here is beside or near. So students, these are the examples through which I wanted you to understand clearly what is preposition. So preposition is a word which shows relation between a noun or a pronoun with the sentence. So students, let us study preposition in detail. Have a look here on the board. So what we are going to study today? Lesson 9, prepositions. And if we break the word as pre plus position, as I told you, pre means before and position means location. Now the examples which I just now demonstrated in front of you. The first one, the flowers are in the vase. Please have a check at the picture also. The flowers are in the vase. So the word in is showing the relation between the flowers and the vase. The second example, the doll is sitting on the sofa or chair. So here, see, the doll is sitting on the chair. So here, student, the word on is showing the relation between the doll and the sofa. And similarly, in the third place, the doll is near or you can say beside the chair. So the words near or beside shows the relation between the doll and the chair. So now the definition. What is preposition? It shows the relation of a noun to the other words in the sentence. I am repeating once again. It shows the relation, that is the relation of flower and vase. So it shows the relation of a noun to other words in the sentence. So this is a noun here. The relation is between one noun and another noun. So it shows the relation of a noun to other words in a sentence. Example, in, on, at, near, etc. Means there are many more. And students, prepositions, there are kinds of prepositions also which you will study now. That is preposition of time, place, position. Now, I am repeating once again, students. Have a look at the board once again very carefully. So, lesson 9, pre plus position is preposition. Examples which I gave you. The flowers are in the vase, in. The doll is sitting on the sofa, on. The doll is near the chair or beside the chair. So, these two are near and beside. And the definition, it shows the relation of a noun to other words in a sentence. Example, in, on, at, near, and many more. Now, the first kind of preposition which you will be studying is preposition of place. Preposition of place, as the name suggests, it tells us the place. It shows the relation through place. Now, have a look at the board, students. I have written some examples here. This will help you to understand it in a more better way. Preposition of place tells us where the people or things are. So, it tells us the place or the position. So, if we define, it tells us the position of the noun. So, it tells us the position or the place of the noun or a pronoun with the other word. Means it tells the relation with the other words in a sentence. And preposition of place tells us the position of the noun. So, let us take some examples here. The books are in the bag. So, now the word in, it is telling the place. Where are the books? Two things we have, students, two nouns, books and bags. Now the relation is shown, and the relation is shown with the preposition in. And what is in here? In is preposition of place, because it is showing the place where the books are. So the books are in the bag. It is showing the, in is here the preposition of place. It is showing the place where the books are. Let us take the second sentence. Raj sits between Mohan and Ravi. So again, between is a preposition, and it is preposition of place or position, because between tells the position of, it is telling the position of Raj. Where is Raj sitting? He is sitting between two boys. So it is telling the place. And the third example, Samir is at school. So where is Samir? Samir is in which place? So Samir is at school. So students, at is preposition and it is preposition of place. So now please students look at the board. I am repeating it once again. Preposition of place. Preposition of place tells us where the people or things are. That means position, location. It tells us the position of the noun. Example, the books are in the bag. In is preposition of place. Raj sits between Mohan and Ravi. Between is preposition of place. And Samir is at school. At, it is telling the position of, it is telling the place of Samir. Dear students, today in this video, I explained you what is preposition and the first kind, that is preposition of place. Hope these two topics are clear to you. In the next video, I will be doing some more kinds of prepositions. So till then students, take care and goodbye.